Stop, look, listen, and learn. And listen.
Day 2. Lamig. Napaihilang namin to si Mochi. Ihina, Mochi. Antay ko lang sila matapos mag-ready.
Vlogger, asan tayo?
Dito tayo sa Castillo ng
Sige, pronounce.
Carnarvon.
Carla.
Carnarvon. Carnarvon? Kaya tayo dito. Halika. 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 Dami akyat.
Uy, uy!
Ito yung view.
Mali ba doon ang kadalasan? Diyan sila tumatae?
Kaya dyan sila tumatay. Totoo ba yan? Chismis yun eh. Sobrang taas dito. So dito tayo sa tuktok ng isang tower. So mataas, nakakatakot. Yan yung baba. Chireng! Doon ako galing kanina. Sa taas. Sa taas. Palit lang ako shades ulit. Sobrang liwanag dito. Okay. Tawagan ko sila Hana. Papunta na sila sa akin.
Natakot yung stairs. Kala ko mamamatay na ako.
Alam mo yung dun sa alam mo yung inakyatan ko? Mas nakakatakot. Yung stairs, ganyan lang kapapalo. Sobrang ganda. So, ako na naatasan mag-akyat ng mga tower. Ito yung akyatin natin. Takot kasi sila Hana. So, tara. Punta natin yan. Teka. So, itin. Hindi ko makita yung daan paakyat doon sa tower. Dito yata. Dilim. Nice. Paikot. Diyan yung mga soldiers. Pag ina-atake sila, ito lang. Tadadadan. Paikot lang ito. Dito ang daan. Oh my. Oh my. Tara. Ito na yung paakyat ng tower. Thank you. Oh. May dance floor. Ay. Ganda. Apartment for a king. Okay. So, ito yung pababa. Obviously, ito yung paakyat. So, sa likod ko, ito yung parang apartment. Yung pinakita ko kanina. So, I think kung bibisita ka dito ng araw, dito ka pa titirahin. Ito na tayo. Yan yung view mo ng araw pag dito ka natutulog. Check natin yung isang bintana. Ito yung second na bintana. Ganda rin yung view dito. Ayun, dito tayo sa taas. So, dapat ito yung akitin ko, yung pinakamataas dito. Kaso sarado yung gate. Ayan. Buti na lang. Ay. Pagod ah. Dito bukas. Tayo natin isang tower. Oh my, it's open. Here we go. Hey. Hanap. Ayan yung view. Ayos ba? Let's go. Baba na tayo. Okay. Dali lang bumaba. Okay. What's this? Meron ditong chest. Okay, nakalabas na tayo. Punta na tayo ng kainan. Hana, saan tayo pupunta?
Wala sa akin po pa.
Kasi yung phone. Chocolate fudge. Okay, sige. Yung galing sa top. Ano? Ano masasabi mo?
Saan?
Bakit sinisipon ka?
Wala. Wala dito.
Turuan mo kanya. Turuan mo kanya. Turuan.
Tourista in Wales. Let's go.
When Okay. Fashion show. Ganda. Wow! Please ka na Parang crash landing on you. Ay, Apple. Ganda na eh. First bite. Uli. Hey, ice cream. Second ice cream of the day.
Ngayon pahapon na, medyo late na. Dito tayo sa, I think, Snowdonia na tong area na to. Hindi kami nag-hike. Popular kasi itong area for hiking. Pero hindi kami nag-hike ngayon. Hindi favorite na activity yun ni Hana. So, plano ko babalik na lang summer, ganyan. Hanap ako ng kasama na mahilig mag-hike. Kung interesado ka, comment down below. Tignan niyo yung bundok doon. Hindi ko alam kung kita to sa camera. Alam mo yung feeling na sobrang late. Yan. Ano nangyari? Kwento mo.
So may prince.
Meron?
May prince, tas may son siya. Meron ditong castle. Tas si Gellert, siya yung dog. Tapos, parang yung prince nagpumunta ng hunting, ganyan. Tapos, pagbalik niya, nakita niya yung aso, duguan niya.
Tapos?
So, akala niya, pinatay nung aso yung anak niya. Tapos yung pala, pinatay nung aso yung wolf. Pinatay na niya yung
si
dog.
Gellert.
Thinking na, yun nga yung manisa niya. Kasi yung cot, empty daw yung cot. Tapos, yung nakita niya, sobrang nagsisi siya. Kasi pinrotect pala yung baby. Good boy.
Kaya pala siya.
Good boy, Gellert.
Gago.
Good boy, Gellert.
Kaya pala niya.
In Greece, testing the reach, spending breach that I made, putting pens to the sheets. Took a week to retreat from defending the breach. Cause living better, doing more, the only end in the beef. I need some time to reflect on the heat. In order to pay back, bitch, you know I kept my receipts. I bet on a team, let the work show what it means. When you charge it up and turn into a fucking machine, I get the Green Bay J Love and split it with my day one. Stay away from all you old pussies calling May Young. And that's not for the woman. Half these dudes act like bitches, see me flipping with the digits. Now they turn into a gymnast. It's not how you thought it would go, is it? Jalen with the pivot, how they get lost in the rhythm. Y'all was shitting on the way that I'm living, but I forgive them. Seek revenge with how I'm killing. Hey, bounce with me if you made it back from out the shadow. Moving forward, baby steps, cause in my back's 1,000 arrows. I'm still a work in progress, filled with liquor and tobacco. Trying to rid all of my demons on this road that's pretty narrow. So I just vent my sorrows out to drums and chop pianos. Always keep one in the chamber, so I'm never low on ammo. Yo, let me get into it. Every war got different battles, so I'm always staying ready for whatever on my travels. I done faced too many demons, I don't feel nothing. I was low and I was sinking, but I'm still coming. I was up late asking when the deal coming. I've been holding it together, but the wheels coming off, so I swerve and I